Want to enable or disable app notification on your phone? In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable app notifications on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Now, tap on App Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. To turn off notifications for any app, simply tap on the app name and toggle Allow Notifications to Off. If you want to enable notifications, just turn the toggle on again. You can also customize notifications for each app. Another quick method is from the home screen. Just press and hold the app icon, tap on App Info, then go to Notifications and manage it from there. This way, you can fully control which apps can send you notifications and which ones stay silent. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.